Okay, students, good morning. Now, once again, discuss about the last topic of strategies for enhancement in food production topic, students. So, the last topic discuss about the main dairy management and also the poultry management, the main important of poultry management and the related diseases, and what is the definition of layer and what is the main definition of broiler. These are all kind of small definitions discussed in last class. Okay, now to be continued, students, what is the main another topic important in NEET level of the strategies for enhancement in food production. So, and one more thing to you, student, the last lecture, the important diseases. The disease name is, students, avian flu or bird flu. So you know very well about the last lecture, students. H5N1 virus, nothing but H for hemagglutinin, N for neuraminidase virus. So these two actually protein surface to causes diseases from bird to bird and also from bird to human too also. So this is, student, the last lecture of human important disease affecting from birds, that is avian flu bird. So now discuss another topic, students, apiculture topic. So discuss, student, first of all write on the board apiculture. Apiculture, or it is also known as the beekeeping. It is also known as beekeeping. Okay, so this is another important food production in our topic of strategies. So what is beekeeping or the what is apiculture? Okay, students, so apiculture means apis is nothing but actually the scientific name of apis, actually nothing but scientific name of honey. Honey or honey bee is also considered like honey. So students, apiculture, culture means rearing, production or developing high quality and quantity of the honey bees, nothing but from the honey only. So it's nothing but generally called, students, beekeeping. Bee means nothing but you know very well, bee means honey bees. So the insect one of the arthropoda phylum. So bees keeping means to particular area and sufficient location. This kind of information discussed in next class. Okay, so discuss this is, students, apiculture. Okay, right? So now, student, first of all, so what is the main definition of apiculture or the beekeeping, students? So apiculture is nothing but, students, apiculture is the maintenance of hives. I repeat, it's maintenance of hives. So what is hives? So write on the board. So maintenance of hives of honeybees for the production of honey and also the wax. It is called, students, a complete apiculture definition. So I will write on the board each and every word to keep in your notes and write down your notes to important in our NEET point of view, students. Okay, so I will write on the board. So apiculture is the maintenance of hives. Maintenance of hive. So students, what is hives? Hives is in dictionary meaning, students, a place where bees lives. I repeat, a place where bees lives. It is called hives. So I write in bracket level, students. So a place where bees lives. It is called, students, hive. So I repeat, so maintenance of honey. So the maintenance of hives is nothing but a place where bees lives of production of honey bees for the production of honey and also the wax. So it is also called, students, the main definition of apiculture are also called the beekeeping. Clear? So this is the main definition and the meaning of apiculture. So I repeat, students, apiculture is nothing but the maintenance of hives and a place where bees lives of honey bees for production of honey and also wax. So you know very well about the meaning of honey and also the wax. These two are main highly nutrients value to supply all human beings, especially children's beings. So honey and source of all protein, vitamin, minerals, glucose, fructose, etc., etc. and wax also used in the different kind of industries and preparation. So these two economical important discuss in the continuation of this class. Okay, so this is about students information. I'm sorry, this is the main the definition. So what next? Actually students, this industry or management are also called, so this is the about a complete definition of apiculture and also the beekeeping. Okay, so what next? Actually it is also called students, it is actually industry or management or the culture. So this is actually, this apiculture is an age old cottage industry, is also called, I repeat, age old cottage industry. I will write on the board students, it is also called, it's age old cottage industry. Okay, so why it's called age old cottage industry? It is actually old industry students since 50 or 60 or 100 years last of the year of the industry. So that's why the production of main highly honeys and also the wax to use various industrial aspect of productions. So this is the first introduction students. Now first of all, so one more doubt you students, large amount of large quality and quantity of the honeybee production from only the suitable species. The which kind of species? The related of honeybee species is nothing but insect. So discuss now next level students, what is the suitable honey bees or what is the suitable honeys or what is suitable of bees in this industry. So I'll write on the board students, so available species or requirement species, available species. Okay, so available species. So actually students, in India there are 4 important bees. I repeat, there are 4 important bees available in India to use the high quality and quantity of the honey productions. So what are they? So I will write on the board, this is main important students, 4 important honey bees are to reared for production of honeys and also the wax. Okay, now I will write on the board students, okay, now 4 species. The number 1 first species students, Apis. Apis mellifera. It is the scientific name of actually European bee. So I repeat students, first suitable species for production of honeys and wax, the Apis mellifera or also considered as Apis mellifera. It is the scientific name of European bee. So I will write on the board students, European bee. European bee. This is the first important bees to production of honeys. Now second one students, the importance of Apis cerana indica. What is that? Apis cerana indica. It is also the scientific name of students, Indian bee. So simply write on the board, Indian bee. This is the 2 important, mostly widely used in the production of honeys. I mean large quantity and quality of the honey bees in this 2 suitable successful bees. Now what is the third important suitable species in our Indian this production? Now Apis florea. Apis florea. It is the scientific name of students, little bee. Little bee. It is the scientific name of students, little bee. And what next? The important last one students, the Apis dorsata. It is the scientific name of students, the rock bee. What is the important? The rock bee. So this is the important 4 suitable species in India, but the first two important like Apis mellifera, European bee and also the second students Apis cerana indica, Indian bee, and remaining two are just the important to use in the domestic of the bees and honey productions. So this is the students four important suitable species in the production of apiculture production and also the beekeeping production. So I repeat, it is a maintenance of hives, a place where bees lives of honey bees for the production of honey and wax. It is the industry definition and introduction and available four species widely used in India. So Apis mellifera, Apis cerina, Apis florea, and also the Apis dorsata. This is the important to introduction level 1 students. Okay. Now we will discuss the next class to be part 2. What is the suitable requirement and what is the bee colony and what is the economical importance of honeys and wax, and also the what is the main the scientists and how many honey bees available species in worldwide. To this kind of all information discuss in next class. Okay, thank you.